scoreline. They're 2-0 up, they're comfortable, they really are in cruise control.
Barcelona have a measure of control now, the game is theirs for the winning. A runner with the ball is such a danger to defences. The keeper just touched goal!
A real coach's goal. He's in a great position. He's not going to miss from there.
It's a hat-trick for Thierry Henry. He looks like scoring with every attempt. Exactly what he was trying to do!
That was wonderfully executed. Real accuracy, real power. Great result.
When it rattled the bar, I thought it may bounce out, but it found its way into the back of the net.